Hallelujah, amadzinodikana. I want to talk about revival. God is moving in this nation, in this land. God has sent a wave of revival. There is revival in this nation, which is going to affect 3 spheres of influence: political, economic, and spiritual. According to Cindy Jacobs' 1998 prophecy, God is right now on the move. Isaac anofukunyura matsime akange ambocherwa na baba vake Abraham. But during their absence, the enemy, kana kuti vaPhilistines, vakauya vakatsindira matsime. Mvura ikamira kubuda. Chatsindirwa, chavharwa itsime, kana kuti chamiswa imvura, but havana kugona kumisa source. Saka ndoda kuti understand kuti Isaac anorealize kuti I don't have to dig new wells, but I have to revive the wells that my father Abraham dug in the first place. Kwa kutanga kufukunyura. So we are in a season where God is moving. He's using us. He's using you and me to revive the economy of this nation, to revive the spiritual state of this nation, to revive the political state of this nation. Saka Isaac paanotanga kufukunyura, muvengi akazviziva kuti Isaac akafukunyura tsime, mvura ichatanga kubuda, nyika ichaflourisha. Isaac again will be in charge. Saka chinoitwa nemuvengi anouya kuzotsindira, kwakuuya muvengi kuzorwisa. Ndobva vaita gakava sezvikuitwa naChabangu. Zvikuitwa naChabangu recalling people, my MPs. He is trying to fight the revival. Ari kuedza kutsindira matsime eri mutsiridzo. Bible rinoti Isaac, he moved from that place, haana kuramba achiita naro, and he went to another place and redug another well. The first well he called it Isaac. Paakachera rechipiri, vakauya futi vakaedza kurwisana. Isaac haana kuramba achiita gakava, akarisiya. He left it in peace and he moved forward further. Akafukunyura rimwe rechitatu. This well rechitatu, he called it Rehoboth, meaning God has given us another chance. God have given us another space. Nekuti vavengi havana kuzouya. Ndinoda kukusimbisa izvezvi kuti this nation is going through a phase, a rebirth of revival, and God is on the move. I hope you are hearing me right now. I don't know what you're going in your life. Probably wakambochera tsime rekutanga, muvengi akauya akatsindira. Don't give up. Ukachera rechipiri, muvengi akauya akatsindira. Still, don't give up. I want you to go a little bit further, and you tell your enemies, makambodzidzivisa 2 times. Makambodzidzivisa in my marriage. Makambodzidzivisa in my prayer life. Makambodzidzivisa in my ministry. Makambodzidzivisa in my business. But not this time around again. I'm not giving up. It's too dangerous for me to give up too soon. I am going for what belongs to me. I'm talking to you right now. Don't give up. No matter how big is your enemy, no matter how big is your devil, no matter how big is your Satan, don't give up. Isaac did not give up because he understood the power of revival. And I'm here to tell the church, I'm here to tell to to bishops, apostles, evangelists, let us hook up. We are in the season of revival. And tell you what, God is on the move in this nation. And God is bringing a great new Zimbabwe into manifestation. God bless you.